Hi guys, good morning. I'm Geeta, working as assistant professor in the department of CSE in Biomedical Engineering College. Today we are going to discuss about MapReduce in big data. So first one, what is mean by MapReduce? So MapReduce is a programming model used for processing and generating large data sets. It is widely adapted in big data analytics due to its scalability and fault tolerance. MapReduce model consists of two main steps, that is map function and then reducer function. So first step, map function. The map step processes the input data and generates the intermediate key value pairs. The reduce step takes the output of the map step and performs aggregations or analysis. So next one is introduction to MapReduce process. It is one of the example of word count process. So here I am taking the input as three sentences. Dear, beer, river as first sentence. Car, river as second sentence. Dear car, beer as a second sentence. So in by performing map function, we have to perform splitting, mapping and then shuffling process. So in splitting, so first my input is split into three inputs, that is three sentences are classified into again three inputs, that is dear, beer, river as a first sentence, car, river as second sentence, dear car, beer as second sentence. So after splitting my input, so next step is mapping, that is for generating the key value pairs. So first dear, beer, river is splitting into dear as a key and then value as 1, beer as a key, value as 1, river as a key, value as 1. Likewise, remaining two sentences are also mapped. So car as 1, river as 1, beer as 1, car as 1, beer as 1. So here keys and values are generated using mapping function. So after completing mapping, the inputs are shuffled. So in that, so here beer is represented in one time. Again here no beer. So in last sentence beer is represented in one time. So here in shuffling I am mentioning beer of 1, 1. So that is from first sentence 1 beer, third sentence from 1 beer. So next one is car. So in first sentence there is no car. In second sentence it is repeated 2 times. So car of 1, 1. And again in third sentence also we are represented car. So car of 1, 1, 1. That is from second sentence 2 times, third sentence 1 time. So again deer. So deer is from first sentence 1 time and then from third sentence 1 time. So deer of 1, 1. So after that river. So river is from first sentence 1 time and then in second sentence 1 time. So river of 1, 1. So up to this mapping function is performed. So after that we can perform reducing process. For reducing process we can get the input from this shuffling process. So in reducing function we can combine the keys in as 1. So beer of 2, car of 3, deer of 2, river as 2. Okay, so this is my reducer process. And then finally I need to display the output. So beer as 2, car as 3, deer as 2, river as 2. So this is my final conclusion. So next one, in this MapReduce model we are using this distributed data processing as first step. So MapReduce allows for parallel processing of large data sets across distributed system. This enables faster and efficient data processing compared to traditional sequential methods. Distributed data processing is essential in big data analytics to handle the volume, variety and velocity of data. MapReduce takes advantages of distributed nature of big data systems. So this is my first step. So after that, data cleaning and pre-processing. MapReduce can be used for cleaning and pre-processing large data sets before analysis. Data cleaning involves removing inconsistencies, duplicates and error from the data. So pre-processing takes include transforming data formats and structures for analysis. So MapReduce's parallel processing capabilities make it ideal for these tasks. So this is my second step, removal of duplicate data. So third step is sentimental analytics. So in this sentimental analytics is the process of determining the emotional tone of a piece of text. So MapReduce can be used to analyze large volume of text data and classify sentiments. So then this is useful in applications like social media analysis and customer feedback analysis. Mostly in social medias we are using sentimental analytics concept. So MapReduce enables efficient processing of text data across multiple nodes. So next one is fourth step is recommendation system. So it is used to provide personalized suggestions to users. MapReduce can be used to analyze user behavior and generating recommendations. So this is widely used in e-commerce, streaming platforms and online advertising. So MapReduce scalability allows for handling large users and item set data sets. So next one is fraud detection. So in this fraud detection involves identifying fraudulent activities in large data sets. So this MapReduce can analyze patterns and anomalies in transaction data to detect fraud. This is crucial in sectors like banking, insurance and e-commerce. MapReduce parallel processing enables efficient detection of fraudulent activities. So next step is predictive analysis. So in this predictive analysis mainly used for historical data to make future predictions. So MapReduce can be used to analyze large data sets and train predictive models. This is useful in various domains like finance, healthcare and marketing. MapReduce distributed processing enables faster model training and predictions. So next step is data visualization. So in this data visualization we can represent data in graphical representation. So MapReduce can process and aggregate large data sets for visualization process. So this helps in understanding complex data and patterns because in general we are representing an image means it is easy to understand. So MapReduce scalability ensures efficient data processing for visualization. So last one is clustering and classification. So in clustering and classifications mostly machine learning techniques used in data analysis. So MapReduce can be used to process and analyze large data sets for clustering and classification tasks. These techniques find applications in various domains like marketing, fraud detection and customer segmentation. MapReduce parallel processing speed up the computation for clustering and classification. So finally, conclusion. So MapReduce is a powerful tool for big data analytics. It enables distributed processing, scalability and fault tolerance. MapReduce has various applications like distributed data processing, data segmentation, data cleaning, data analysis, banking sectors. Likewise, we are using MapReduce applications. By leveraging the strength of MapReduce, organizations can derive valuable insights from large data sets. That's all. Thank you.